Hey, welcome to CPR Savers Product Review. My name is Celine, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Emergency Trauma Bandage, also known as the Israeli Bandage. This elastic bandage incorporates a sterile non-adherent dressing, pressure applicator, and closure bar, making for a wonderfully functional first aid device that will stop nearly all wound hemorrhaging of the extremities. The bandage comes double sealed with easy to open packaging and comes with instructions on the packaging. Once opened, unroll the bandage to reveal the pad, and place pad over the injured limb and wrap the elastic around the body part. Insert the bandage into the pressure applicator and begin to tighten before pulling in the opposite direction, forcing the pressure applicator onto the pad. Tightly wrap the bandage multiple times over the pressure applicator and be sure to cover all edges of the pad. Then secure the hooking ends of the closure bar into the bandage. To remove the bandage, simply unhook the closure bar. To find this product, go to cpr-savers.com and type into the search bar the product codes you see on the screen, or call our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.